Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your transaction pin, that is your ATM pin on your moniepoint ATM card. If you have the moniepoint expense card, you can change your pin anytime you want. Probably you think somebody has compromised, your pin has been compromised by someone, or maybe you lost your ATM, or whatever reason you want to change your ATM card pin. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So once you log into your moniepoint dashboard, you see three lines at the top left hand corner. Click on it. So once you click on it, you see cards. So you see the cards you have. I only have one card on this account. So click on this. Then you see where they write change card pin. Change card pin. So you click on change card pin. Sorry. It will ask you to put the old pin, that is your old pin, the one you are using before, and then the new pin. Then you confirm new card pin. So I'm going to put the old pin as well as set a new pin. So I'm going to pause this video for security reason. So once you put the old pin and the new pin, make sure this new pin and confirm pin are the same. Make sure what you put there are the same. Then after that, click on change pin at the bottom. So once you see action successful, that means the ATM pin on this ATM card has been successfully changed to your new pin. That's basically how to change the pin on your moniepoint ATM card. If you're new to this channel, you're here to subscribe, click on the subscribe button below. Also give this video a thumbs up so that people who are looking for amazing content like this will be able to see it. All right, guys,